So in this video, you'll learn how to enable mono audio, or you can also say how to disable surround audio on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36, or A26. So if you want to disable the surround audio, thereby enabling mono audio, then all you need to do is just open the settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option accessibility. Under accessibility, tap on hearing enhancements. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you find the option mono audio. So in order for you to enable or disable it, you can just tap on the toggle like that, and then it will be turned on. You can also choose to select it, and you can choose, once it's enabled, how you want to customize it. So you have for connected audio, so mono audio will be enabled for any connected audio, or you can choose to select connected audio and phone speakers. So with this option, it means any Bluetooth device as well as the phone speakers, mono audio is enabled. But with connected audio, it's any connected Bluetooth device. So it's completely up to you to decide how you want to use mono audio on your phone. Then when you're ready, you can just close the settings app with you having successfully disabled surround audio because you've enabled mono audio. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.